Woodworking is an art form that has been around for centuries. It involves the creation of beautiful and functional items made from wood. In recent years, woodworking has become increasingly popular as a hobby and as a way to make a living. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are many beautiful woodworking projects ideas that you can make for profit or home decor. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of beautiful woodworking projects ideas you can make for profit or home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the first things to consider when choosing a woodworking project is the type of wood you want to use. There are many different types of wood available, each with its own unique characteristics. Some popular woods for woodworking include oak, maple, cherry, and walnut. Each of these woods has its own distinct grain pattern and color, which can be used to create stunning designs. Once you have chosen your wood, it is time to start thinking about the type of project you want to make. There are many different types of woodworking projects, ranging from simple and functional to complex and ornate. No matter what type of woodworking project you choose, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, always choose high-quality materials. The quality of your wood will directly impact the final product, so it is important to choose the best wood you can afford. Second, pay attention to the details. The little things, like the type of joinery you use or the finish you apply, can make a big difference in the final product. Finally, take your time and enjoy the process. Woodworking is a labor of love, and the more time and care you put into your project, the more beautiful and functional it will be. Some popular woodworking projects include cutting boards, picture frames, jewelry boxes, wine racks, bird houses, bookcases, coffee tables and end tables. One. Cutting boards. Cutting boards are a simple and practical woodworking project that can be made from a variety of different woods. They are perfect for home chefs who want a beautiful and functional cutting surface. Cutting boards can be made in a variety of shapes and sizes, and can be personalized with custom engravings or designs. 2. Picture frames. Picture frames are another popular woodworking project that can be made from a variety of different woods. They are perfect for displaying family photos or artwork. Picture frames can be made in a variety of styles, from simple and modern to ornate and traditional. 3. Jewelry boxes. Jewelry boxes are a beautiful and functional woodworking project that can be made from a variety of different woods. They are perfect for storing jewelry and other small items. Jewelry boxes can be made in a variety of styles. 5. Wine racks. Wine racks are a beautiful and functional woodworking project that can be made from a variety of different woods. They are perfect for wine enthusiasts who want to display their collection in style. Wine racks can be made in a variety of styles. 6. Birdhouses. Birdhouses are a fun and whimsical woodworking project that can be made from a variety of different woods. They are perfect for bird lovers who want to attract birds to their yard. Birdhouses can be made in a variety of styles, from simple and modern to ornate and traditional. 7. Bookcases. Bookcases are a functional and stylish woodworking project that can be made from a variety of different woods. They are perfect for book lovers who want to display their collection in style. Bookcases can be made in a variety of style. 8. Coffee tables. Coffee tables are a beautiful and functional woodworking project that can be made from a variety of different woods. They are perfect for living rooms and family rooms, and can be customized to fit any decor style. Coffee tables can be made in a variety of styles, from simple and modern to ornate and traditional. Nine. End tables. End tables are a functional and stylish woodworking project that can be made from a variety of different woods. They are perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and family rooms. In conclusion, woodworking is a beautiful and rewarding art form that can be enjoyed by people of all skill levels. Whether you are looking to make a profit or simply want to create beautiful items for your home, there are many beautiful woodworking projects ideas that you can choose from. By choosing high-quality materials, paying attention to the details, and taking your time to enjoy the process, you can create stunning pieces that will be treasured for years to come. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked beautiful woodworking projects ideas you can make for profit or home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.